Welcome back to the Avalanche Project, where one small task turns into everything. Today I'm emptying Mom's room so the carpets can get cleaned. Almost everything ended up shoved and stuffed into her closet and bathroom. Feel free to work on your own task or just hang out with me while I tackle this. I did not turn Mom's room into a dumping ground. It just looks like I turned Mom's room into a dumping ground. It's a, what do you call it? Strategic placing area. Yeah, that's what it is. So I've got 10 days or so to get both bedrooms floor cleared, which, of course, sure, you could probably get it done all in one day, but then got 10 days of tiptoeing over things, or, you take a little bit of time and get things done. That's what I'm going for. But I've been putting containers as I find them in the house, and for some reason, the whole house is getting a refresh, which, cool, but I've learned that one doesn't really or shouldn't really buy a whole lot of containers before you're organizing, because you'll just find a bunch as you clean up. So, and I've shopped my container stash quite a bit. I can't put that in there, I'll never find it again. Somebody donated some fabric to me, and it's so pretty. But that is not for today. So I thought I'd work from one side of the house to the other. We've done a bunch of stuff in the kitchen. I took pictures so I can put her stuff back the way she had it, except she would like a little bit of rearranging. So I am doing this with her permission. Aren't these cute? They're so fun. That was rude. Hey. My grandfather carved these. They're so awesome. He got them, um, they're cottonwood bark from Alaska. I sent him some bark, and he made these really cool little houses. There's a cord there. wonder what it would be like to be at least 5'3", you know? That's got to be some kind of help. That's pretty. I want you to fit. Thank you. There we go. Isn't this so pretty? It's amazing what you can find at the thrift store. It's absolutely pretty. Hey, no. Turbo is allowed to go potty. Enough. Come here. Come here. With me. Come on. Come here. Come on. In Grandma's room. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Thank you. Yes. Every day, at least 3 or 4 times a day, that dog comes out of his house to go potty. You let him. Brat. One fence fight, and oh my god, we've been here 3 years. Yeah, you're not fitting in that, okay. But you will fit there. You, my friend, I don't even know what you are. Some sort of air plant? Easy care, your orchid. Oh, you're still green. Oh crap, there's 2 of you. What are you? Besides very dry. You are a exotic angel plant. Hi there, my friends call me something. Low light. I should probably water you? I don't know. To be continued. Okay. You can go sideways? Yes? Yes. Okay. You can go sideways. Okay. You can go sideways. My grandfather also carved the bird. Very nice. We found this on Facebook. Thought it was really, really awesome. Also thought it was twice the size that it was. So if you're not sure, definitely ask. So we might end up passing it along, but want to give it a first good effort first. This chair is amazing. Amazingly heavy. But it's fit for short people. Like all the way around. It's great. It's very comfy. If it fits, it ships. Okay. Pretty sure this cannot go sideways. It's also full of water. I should probably empty that. This thing really is light. Awkward, but light. I swear, 20 years down the road, it's going to be mid-century, Victorian, Amazon. I'm not mocking her. I have a bunch in the rest of the house. It fits perfectly around the towel rack. That's hilarious. Okay. This thing is heavy. This is 100% my mess. She did not leave this. This is, but it's a good container. I don't want to get rid of it. Situation. Because it's, cool. All this tiptoeing had a stool in here the whole time. Isn't it pretty? Ooh. It's a chair. I've got one too. Sometimes you just end up sitting on the floor and organizing stuff, and it's nice to have a chair. All about leverage. Never thought about putting a printer in a bathroom before. That could be more handy than what you need it to be. Well, I did it. Managed to get everything shoved into her closet. Here's the bathroom that day, and then the day before the carpet cleaning. We got everything in there except her desk.